Every day, we meet many people, but the people we see regularly influence us the most. Today, I want to talk about 3 people I see every day: my father, my mother, and my younger brother. They are part of my daily life, and each of them has shaped me in a different way. I see my father every day, usually in the early morning. He is a disciplined and hardworking person. His routine is simple but strict. He believes that time should never be wasted, and I see this in the way he lives his life. My father speaks less, but when he does, his words are direct and practical. He does not believe in shortcuts. Even when things are difficult, he stays calm and focused. Watching him every day has taught me responsibility and self-control. He rarely shows emotions openly, but his care is clear through his actions. He thinks about the family before himself. Seeing him daily reminds me that real strength is shown through consistency, not loud words. The second person I see every day is my mother. She is the heart of our home. Her day begins before everyone else wakes up and ends after everyone else goes to sleep. She manages the house, supports the family, and still finds time for everyone. My mother is patient, caring, and emotionally strong. She listens carefully and understands problems without judging. Even when she is tired, she remains calm. Her presence creates peace in the house. She teaches values through her actions rather than advice. Her sacrifices are silent, but they are visible to me every day. She has taught me kindness, patience, and respect. The third person I see every day is my younger brother. Being the elder brother gives me responsibility, not just companionship. I am expected to guide him, correct him, and sometimes protect him. My younger brother is energetic and curious. He often asks questions and challenges my patience. Sometimes we argue, and sometimes we laugh together. But I know that my behavior influences him more than my words. As the big brother, I try to set a good example. I know he observes how I speak, how I react, and how I handle problems. Seeing him every day reminds me that I must act responsibly, because I am someone he looks up to. At the same time, he teaches me patience and emotional control. Through daily interactions, I learn how to balance authority with care. So these are the 3 people I see every day: my father, my mother, and my younger brother. Each of them plays a different role in my life and teaches me something valuable. Seeing them daily shapes my habits, thinking, and sense of responsibility. Thank you for listening. This was my English speaking practice for today.